Missed our last list? No worries, we've got 10 more top-rated security cameras to help you protect your home and loved ones. Whether you need HD video, motion detection, or cloud storage, these cameras have you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 10 more security cameras on Amazon, from budget-friendly picks to advanced surveillance solutions. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart home security products. At number 1 we have WYZE Cam Pan V3 Indoor/Outdoor Security Camera. Live stream from anywhere and control remotely using the WYZE app to check any part of the room, fast. Or monitor a room automatically, in a constant pattern, by setting 4 predefined waypoints. Panning has a 360 degrees left/right rotation range and tilting has a full 180 degrees vertical up/down range. WYZE Cam Pan V3 is a wired pan and tilt video camera with IP65 rating, so you can confidently install it and track the action, whether outside in the rain or inside in the nursery. Outdoor use requires WYZE Outdoor Power Adapter, sold separately. Go beyond motion and sound alerts. WYZE Cam Pan doesn't just detect motion, it locks onto it, unfriendly, friendly, or furry, automatically following the action all around the room. Engineered for speed, precision, and quiet operation. WYZE Cam Pan V3 does its job smoothly and discreetly, without noisy gearworks. Record nighttime video in full, vivid color in environments up to 25x darker than traditional cameras. At number 2 we have OOSSXX Security Cameras Outdoor Wireless. All recordings will be encrypted and stored in home base without subscription or hidden cost. 32 GB of local storage provides up to 2 months of video loop recording. Even if the cameras are damaged or lost, the data remains safe. Homebase also provides instant notifications and stable live streaming. Cross-camera tracking automatically relate videos of same-period events for easy reviews. 2. Watch live streams in 4 areas at the same time on one screen to implement a wireless security camera system. 3. Control the working status of multiple outdoor security cameras with one click, not just turning them on or off. Solar powered, once installed and works forever. Built-in solar panel keeps the battery charged. 3 hours of sunlight daily keeps it running, even on rainy and cloud days. Install in any location, just drill 3 holes, 5 minutes. 360 degrees coverage and auto motion tracking. Pan and tilt outdoor camera wireless provides all-around security. No blind spots. Activities within the target area will be automatically tracked and recorded by the camera. At number 3 we have Zeeporte Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor. The outdoor camera wireless features 2304 by 1296 pixels, that's 4 times better than 1080p, which provide a wide viewing angle, 2K high-definition live video and image. The outside camera has 2 modes of night vision, full color and infrared night vision with a 33 feet visible range. It will offer a clear wide video of any area you wish to monitor even at night. With a mobile app, the system's live or recorded video can be accessed anywhere at any time. The cameras for home security can provide 1 to 5 months of worry-free use with one fully charged. This security camera's wireless outdoor with IP65 waterproof can work in any weather. This outdoor security camera with advanced smart AI motions detection, it can clear analysis and recognition person, vehicle, pet and package. The home security cameras has a built-in microphone and speaker that supports real-time, two-way talk. Via the mobile app, you can warn off thieves, screen visitors at your door or communicate directly with your family or friends. Siren alarm, flashing LED light or two-way talk that both allow you to drive away thieves and unwanted visitors. At number 4 we have OOSSXX Security Camera System. The wireless signal is very important for this system. If the wireless signal is weak, the video will be blurred/stalled/disappeared, so we will update all cameras to real dual antennas. The wireless distance will be updated by about 55%, and the video will be even better. Smooth and clear. The camera is a durable metal camera that can work in harsh environmental conditions. Whether sunny or rainy, the waterproof camera can be placed both indoors and outdoors. So no matter what the weather is, the camera will work 24/7. The camera has IR cut filter with an auto switch and can be viewed even at night. With the help of advanced recognition algorithms, OOSSXX will send notifications in real time once abnormal actions. Compared with the traditional error detection, AI human detection can avoid 99% false alarm by leaves, cloud, animals or insects. This camera system is not wire-free camera system. The camera need power supply, one power cord connect camera from power supply. At number 5 we have Tapo MagCam Outdoor Security Camera. The C425 camera addresses common security camera challenges with its easy installation and maintenance. It offers a range of features designed to simplify monitoring and enhance security. This IP66 weatherproof camera offers hassle-free, wire-free mounting. Its magnetic base enables easy attachment to metal surfaces, providing flexible indoor and outdoor placement. The 10,000 mAh battery offers up to 300 days of use. For continuous power, use the optional Tapo A200 solar panel, sold separately, which eliminates the need for recharging. Together, the 2K QHD resolution provides clear details like license plates, offering 1.7x the pixels of 1080p. The 150 degrees field of view covers a larger area for broader monitoring. Capture vibrant, full-color images at night with the integrated starlight sensor and built-in spotlights. At number 6 we have OOSSXX Solar Security Cameras 4 Cameras Kit. The Homebase's built-in 32GB local storage holds up to 2 months of loop recordings for 4 cameras. Access all features with no extra charges. Your data stays secure, encrypted with advanced privacy standards, and easily accessible anytime. Stay in control anytime, anywhere. View live feeds from up to 4 cameras simultaneously on your smartphone and get instant alerts for key activities. Effortlessly monitor every corner of your property in real time. Capture every detail, not just fragments. The system intelligently links video clips from multiple cameras recording related events and presents them together in an intuitive interface for quick and seamless review. Powered by just 2 hours of direct sunlight daily, the system delivers reliable, year-round operation. The flexible solar panel can be installed separately from the camera, allowing for optimal positioning and easy setup in various environments. At number 7 we have Cinnado 2K Home Security Cameras. Cinnado Indoor Security Camera provides super clear 2K Full HD live stream which allows you to monitor your pets or babies in clear details. With pan and tilt functions, 360 degrees coverage on your phone to remotely control the indoor camera and monitor every corner of your home in real time. The pet camera is equipped with 4+ 940nm IR lights. You can clearly see your baby and pet's every move even at night. Wired indoor camera, not cordless/battery camera. Cinnado security cameras have a built-in microphone and speaker that allows you to talk to your family and pets through the app. This indoor security camera supports SD card storage and cloud storage. Continuous recording can be realized by installing an SD card up to 128 GB of storage and SD card not included. The indoor camera is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Pair the Cinnado Wi-Fi camera with Alexa or Google Assistant, then use a simple voice command to ask Alexa or Google Assistant to view your live camera feed. At number 8 we have Arlo Essential Security Camera. Exceptional indoor and outdoor wireless cameras, 5-camera system, watch, listen and talk. Monitor your home, property with 2K video quality. A complete home security system you can set up on your own. Arlo protects your everything, including your privacy. At Arlo, we are as passionate about privacy as we are about safeguarding your home and family. Arlo is designed to keep your personal information private and in your control. Arlo Secure App, real-time notifications with motion activation and live video streaming in the Arlo app. Includes activating the siren remotely, color night vision, large field of view, 130 degrees, and built-in camera spotlight. Share and store video for up to 30 days, get previews, and prevent false alarms. Get alerts for people and vehicles you've named and package and animal detection. 24/7 emergency response. Includes a 30-day trial. At number 9 we have LaView 4G LTE Cellular Light Bulb Security Camera. This light bulb camera capture ultra-clear 4MP HD 2560 by 1440p images with 12x digital zoom. Enjoy color night vision in low light or darkness up to 30 feet. Experience superior clarity day and night. Accurately detect and track objects up to 355 degrees and 17 feet, can adjust sensitivity levels low/medium/high, ties camera auto records and follows motion, receive alerts when needed. This Wi-Fi security camera enables you to communicate with family or visitors via mobile, set a loud alarm for motion detection, use the built-in microphone and speaker to deter intruders or greet guests. This camera's de seguridad can support up to 20 simultaneous viewers, share security access with family and friends, compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, easy installation and control. At number 10 we have Maxiviz Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor. Equipped with 2K high-definition resolution, the security camera's wireless outdoor has 2 options for night vision, full color mode and infrared mode with a 33 feet visible range. The built-in LED floodlight makes this security camera's colorful night vision add a splash of color to every night, so you can see what's happening in your surveillance area. Never miss a moment. Maxiviz wireless security cameras utilize powerful per-motion detection technology to monitor important places in your home 24/7. Powered by advanced AI analysis technology, the home security camera can accurately identify and differentiate between people, pets, vehicles, and packages, effectively reducing false alarms by up to 95%. The outdoor camera wireless is equipped with a microphone speaker with 3D noise cancellation, allowing you to make smooth and clear two-way calls to visitors at the door. As soon as motion is detected, the outside camera notifies you and sends a message to your phone via the WYZE Home app. You can also use the built-in siren and two-way talk to deter potential intruders.